Hey everybody, Shabo here, back from the video, and today I'll be showing you how to remove the new chat system in Roblox. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to View at the top here, go to Explorer and Properties, make sure both of those are open. Now we're going to go down to Text Chat Service in Explorer. You're going to want to click on that, and then you're going to want to go to Properties, and then you're going to want to scroll if you don't see it already, and you're going to want to change the chat version to Legacy Chat Service, and that's it. So if you go to Home and then press Play to test your game, as you can see, we have our old chat system here. It works normally. And that's how you remove the new chat system in Roblox. Make sure to slap that like button and punch the subscribe button. Peace.